Can you use saffron to care for your skin? But in this video we will see how to use saffron for proper skin care. We know that saffron is used in cooking. Saffron also has many benefits for the skin. You can use saffron in oil form, as a toner and as a mask. It is also important to check the quality of saffron before buying it. You can use saffron mixed with carrier oil or rose water. Toner, apply toner mixed with saffron on a cotton ball. Cleansing, after removing makeup, mix saffron with milk or cream to cleanse your skin. Face mask, soothe your skin with a saffron face mask once a week. Mix curd, honey or rose water with saffron and apply on the face and wash the face after 10 to 15 minutes. Nourish, rejuvenate your skin at night by using a saffron-infused night cream or serum. Soothing effect, saffron is effective in reducing redness and irritation on the skin. Glow, using saffron makes the skin brighter than usual and removes dark spots. Hydration, saffron provides much needed hydration to dry skin. Heals wounds, saffron helps in quick healing of cuts and bruises on the skin. Is saffron safe to use on the skin? Although saffron is generally safe to use, it can vary from person to person. The quality of saffron you use plays an important role. So use quality and chemical-free saffron. Also, saffron should not be applied directly to the skin. Saffron, also known as the golden spice, is a spice popular for its unique flavor, aroma, and vibrant scarlet golden color extracted from the Crocus sativus flower. Saffron is packed with various nutrients that benefit the skin. You can use saffron not only to enhance the flavor and color of your dishes but also to make your skin glow naturally. In this video, we'll talk about saffron benefits the skin and discover some of the best ways to use it in your skincare routine. Saffron, kumkum or kesar, is one of the most precious spices in the world, as it takes a lot of time and effort to cultivate and harvest the delicate stigmas from the Crocus sativus flower. It is estimated that it takes around 75,000 flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron, making it extremely expensive. These unique sensory properties make saffron a prized ingredient in many culinary dishes, from savory stews to sweet desserts. But the use of saffron isn't limited to cooking. Top benefits of saffron for skin extracted from the crocus flower's red stigmas. Saffron is one of nature's most potent, antioxidant-rich ingredients, widely known for its myriad health benefits. Anti-aging properties. Saffron is rich in antioxidants, crocin and saffronol, that protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. The antioxidants in saffron neutralize these free radicals, keeping the skin looking youthful and radiant. Brighten skin. Saffron contains vitamin C, ascorbic acid, that helps in brightening the skin tone. Moisturizes the skin. Saffron is a natural moisturizer that helps in keeping the skin hydrated and other uses and benefits. Saffron, known as kesar or kumkum in Sanskrit, is a spice recognized worldwide as a delicacy. Highlights: helps treat bleeding conditions. For conditions like premature ejaculation, low sperm count. Applying it on the forehead reduces fever and headache. Saffron benefits: saffron helps in erectile dysfunction and sperm deficiency. And other benefits. Saffron, which is expensive, has many benefits and should not be avoided. Saffron requires a large amount of flowers to take a small amount. This may take up to several hours. It requires a lot of labor and care. It costs a lot. At the same time, its benefits are immeasurable and its use can also improve health. Used to make ointments against acne and acne. Saffron is anti-inflammatory, anti-wrinkle, and rejuvenating in lipsticks. Creams containing saffron are very moisturizing and nourishing to the skin. Milk with saffron helps in menstrual cramps, asthma, various allergic conditions and more. It helps in the treatment of carcinogenic diseases and adjuvant in the treatment of heart disorders. It relieves stress and anxiety. Saffron works well in sleep indirectly. Urine stones. Eating saffron mixed with honey can help dissolve urinary stones. The recommended dose of saffron is 1.5 to 3 grams. It helps to make saffron tea when there is a urinary infection. Effect on the skin: it helps to reduce dark pigmentation, dark circles under the eyes, acne and pimples. Increases the glow of the skin. Saffron is used as an active ingredient in Ayurvedic preparations for diseases affecting the nervous system. Effects on digestive system. Saffron increases appetite. It prevents indigestion. Reduces diarrhea, vomiting and acidity. It also acts as a cardiac tonic. It is especially helpful in the treatment of hemostatic conditions. Effect on the reproductive system: it helps in the treatment of conditions like erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, low sperm count in the male reproductive system and eases the menstrual flow in the female reproductive system. Acts as a dynamic antispasmodic. It is used to ease dysmenorrhea, primary amenorrhea and childbirth. Saffron home remedies: make a paste of sandalwood and saffron. Dissolve this in little water to make a paste. It reduces acne, pimples, dark circles, dark pigmentation, etc. and increases the glow of the skin. Saffron paste when applied on the wound accelerates the healing process. Applying a mixture of sandalwood and saffron on the forehead reduces fever and headaches. It strengthens eyesight. Pregnant women should be given saffron from the 3rd trimester onwards. Grind 6 strands of saffron with milk and then boil it in a cup of milk. Drink this milk every night. Saffron cools the mind. Calms pitta gunas. Sharpen your vision. Saffron is also effective in breaking blood clots and removing liver congestion. Caution: do not give saffron during early pregnancy. It can cause miscarriage.